Hello everyone, hopefully you had a very Merry Christmas, and we're back with another Friday new product post. If you didn't check out last week's product post, be sure to do so. We had over 400 new products, so they're very awesome. And this week we have some more new awesome products, so let's check them out. This is a PCB that mimics a breadboard. So let's say you're prototyping something and you throw it onto the breadboard and it works and everything's good. Then you have to rip it all out and solder it into something. Well, what if you just had a PCB that was the same size, form factor, and everything as the breadboard? You could just start by soldering into that, and then when you're done with it, you have it all soldered into one little board. It's a pretty simple little concept. It's just a through-hole version of a breadboard, so instead of actually plugging in the pins, you solder them in place, and it's a little bit simpler way to prototype a permanent thing. So check out the new through-hole protoboard. This is the TSL 2561 Luminosity Breakout. As the name suggests, it is a breakout board for measuring luminosity. What is luminosity? Luminosity is essentially the amount of light that is present. So this actually has an I2C interface. You connect into your favorite microcontroller and you get to see the lux that this sees. A lot of people might be confusing the difference between lux and lumens. Lumens is a term that is more popular and you hear it a lot more often. Lumens is the amount of light output that something has. So if you have like a 60-watt light bulb, I think it's something like 1200 lumens, that is the total amount of light that comes off of the light. Now the difference between lumens and lux is a small segment of that portion of light. So if we have this light source that is yay big and the total amount of it is 1000 lumens, but we're only viewing a very small section of it, we're not, really far back seeing all the lumens hitting it, then we would be viewing the lux. There's a lot of different forms